and causing less pain. Apply pre-wax oil. A light pre-wax oil creates a barrier between the skin and the wax, helping to reduce skin irritation and making hair removal smoother. Use numbing cream. Pain relievers. A topical numbing cream, applied 30 to 45 minutes before waxing, can reduce pain considerably. Taking a mild pain reliever like ibuprofen can also help. Warm showers open up pores, making it easier and less painful to remove hair from the follicles. This softens hair and helps reduce discomfort. Using wax that's warm not hot reduces the risk of burns and irritation, especially for sensitive skin. Look for wax containing ingredients like aloe vera or chamomile, which are known for their calming effects on the skin. Keeping the skin taut helps minimize pain by reducing the pulling sensation, making the hair removal process smoother. Wax in small sections. For sensitive areas, working in small sections gives you more control and helps reduce discomfort by only removing a small amount of hair at a time. Skip caffeine and alcohol. Avoid these before waxing as they increase skin sensitivity, making the experience more painful. Deep breathing can help you relax, easing discomfort during waxing. Exhale as the strip is pulled to manage pain. Apply soothing aloe vera gel after waxing. Aloe vera gel has anti-inflammatory properties, making it excellent for soothing sensitive skin and calming redness post-waxing. Avoid tight clothing post-wax. Wearing loose clothing after waxing prevents friction and irritation, allowing the skin to breathe and recover. Witch hazel or tea tree oil diluted with a carrier oil can help reduce redness and prevent potential infections post-waxing. Maintain a regular waxing routine. Waxing every 3 to 4 weeks keeps hair regrowth softer and sparser, making each waxing session progressively less painful over time. If it's your first time with a new wax type or product, test a small area to ensure it doesn't irritate your skin. Avoid heavy exercise for 24 hours. Excessive sweating and friction from workouts can irritate freshly waxed skin, so keep physical activities light. Use fragrance-free skincare. Skip perfumes, scented lotions, and harsh body washes on the waxed area for at least 24 hours to avoid irritation. Applying a cool, damp cloth after waxing can help calm inflammation and numb any lingering discomfort in sensitive areas. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Don't forget to hit that like button if this video was helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one.